Give me the next 5 to 10 minutes to show you how to make over $1,300 per day helping local businesses build websites in under 60 seconds using just Google Maps and ChatGPT. No marketing experience, no tech skills, no startup costs, just simple AI tools and a phone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find high-paying, hyper-targeted local businesses on Google Maps, how to build AI-powered websites instantly that businesses love, using a done-for-you offer to blow clients away and fill your pipeline. This is one of the easiest and fastest online models you can use today in order to hit 10K per month, even as a complete beginner. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. How to make money with Google Maps in 2025. So if you want to get screenshots like this, £48,000 per month in 2025 with this insanely simple offer, then give me the next 5 to 10 minutes to show you exactly how you're going to do this. And if you can't give me 5 minutes of your time to show you this model, to show you how to make money with Google Maps for free, well then there's not much I can do for you. You got to move on to the next dopamine hit or whatever you're going to consume next. So this is what it is. We are going to be using Google Maps to make a lot of money, and it is so simple. So I'm going to run you through the model. You're going to find leads on Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to sell them a no-brainer offer. The no-brainer offer is we are going to sell these companies AI websites that is already done for them. So we're going to reach out to companies that don't have websites. We're going to say we've already built you a website. Once they say yes, let's book a call. We're going to use AI to build them out that website in 60 seconds, and then we're going to close them on Zoom. And believe it or not, you can use AI to build an insanely valuable website in 60 seconds. And if you don't believe me, this is a website my agency just built this morning for a client here in the UK. And look at this. This is all custom, completely custom to their location, their number, their email. We've even implemented a booking and pricing system, FAQs. We've added testimonials. This is insane. AI can build this out in 60 seconds, and I'm going to show you exactly how. You can preload a potential client's information. You just send them a message saying, I made you a site. Do you want to see it? Get paid $1,000 to $2,000 for the site, host it, and then get paid monthly. So I'm going to take you through the workflow. This is the workflow. This is unbelievably simple, and AI has absolutely changed the game here. So you're going to pick one niche. I'm going to use cleaners in New York City. You're going to go onto Google Maps and you're going to scroll down until you find one with no website. Now, in the first page, a lot of them are going to have websites because they're going to be the bigger companies, but you're going to find one with no website pretty quickly. Boom. Soho Dry Cleaning. Perfect example, because the AI company or the AI website that I have here is a dry cleaning business. So you're going to find this company, you're going to call them up. Here's their number right here. Click on this. Their number is going to pop up. You're going to call them up and you're going to say, hey, I noticed you didn't have a website. I've actually built you out a custom website completely from scratch. Do you want to take a look? 90% of the time, they're going to be unbelievably intrigued. They're actually not going to believe that you've built them out a website, and you're going to have to assure them, no, I actually run a design agency or whatever you want to say. I've built you out a website from scratch. Do you want to take a look? And then you're going to book them on a Zoom call. Now, once they have booked the Zoom call, that's only when you build it. Once they've booked the Zoom call, you only build it then. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to build it. It is so easy, but only build a website once they've booked. So you're going to pick a niche. You're going to pick 1 to 2 AI builders. There's tons out there. I'm going to show you some of the ones we use. You build a lead list. Your lead list is literally Google Maps. That's all you need to do. Keep it really simple. Reach out with the free website hook like we've just discussed. When they agree to a call, you build the website then. You add their logo and contact information to the website. I'm going to show you how to do that. Then you offer to complete the website for $1,000 to $2,000, then manage it for an additional $150 to $250. And if you're an agency owner and you already have ads, automations, SEO, then you upsell that because you've just built tons of credibility, tons of trust. The client knows, like, and trusts you already, and then you just upsell them. So with this model, it's a complete no-brainer offer. You're going to book a ton of calls. You're going to get a ton of clients. And if you already have an agency or you want to upsell them ads and automations and SEO, it will be the easiest upsell of all time. And the beauty of all of this is you don't even mention AI. You just deliver results. So let's go back. I'm going to show you how we're going to actually create these websites. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to give it this prompt. Can you give me a detailed prompt to insert in the Lovable.dev to create a slick and professional cleaning website in the home cleaning sector? And then you include things like their location. Then you're going to copy this prompt that it gives you, like so. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to go over to an AI called Lovable.dev, and you're going to paste this in, and then you're going to hit enter. Now, once you hit enter, in about 60 seconds, in about 1 to 2 minutes, it's going to build you out a completely custom website. This is an example, another cleaning company. Look at this. This has just built this out in 60 seconds. How insane is that? Completely custom to the client, their address, their phone number, their email, their testimonials, everything completely custom. And this is what you're going to show on the Zoom. So you're going to hop on a Zoom and this is what you're going to show them. You're going to sell them this custom website. This is by far the best way to make 10K, 20K, 30K per month in 2025, leveraging Google Maps. All of this is free. Google Maps is free. The website AI is free unless you choose to actually publish the website. All of this is free and it is a no-brainer offer. It will be the easiest close you ever do. You'll book a ton of calls because these clients actually need websites. They need the service you're offering. When you get on the call, there's no hard sales because you give them value up front. You've built that credibility. You've already done the work for them and they're blown away. This is the easiest way to make 10K per month in 2025. So go out there, get execution, start doing this. If you want some more information, I'm going to link a full free course where I go into more of the details below in the description. So check out that video below. But this is by far the easiest way to make money with Google Maps. Completely free, completely scalable, really, really exciting. Join the AI revolution, leverage AI, and make money in 2025. So that's it. Hopefully that has blown you away and shown you how easy it is to craft these AI websites and sell them to business owners that you're actually going to deliver value to. However, if you are just getting into the make money online space, or maybe you're even an agency owner with bigger and more ambitious goals, maybe you want to get to 20K per month, 30K per month, in that case, then I have just the thing that you are looking for. I have a video that I am going to link in the corner of the screen right now that shows you how to create a marketing agency that can pay you crazy amounts of cold hard cash. We're talking 10K per month, 20K per month, even 30, 40, and 50K per month. These are results that I'm getting in my own marketing agency and that my students are getting in their marketing agencies. So if you want to start a marketing agency and you want to learn how to grow to 30K per month, 40K per month, you want to learn how to choose a killer niche, you want to learn how we craft no-brainer offers and then close like a pro and build outreach systems that land clients in your inbox every single day, then I'm going to link that video in the corner so you can watch that video and scale your marketing agency to the moon and sell services just like the one we looked at in this video today. So go and check out that video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.